So focus on your money and you won't be too attached. Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today's conversation is about um, how to avoid being emotionally attached to a man, and also how to quickly get over a man, and the only way to take a man back after a breakup or a divorce. So kind of like this is kind of like three conversations all in one. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Okay. So I'm only going to be here for like a short time and then I'm going back to my other channel. But still, this is not a short attention span conversation because this ties in the end. This all ties in. Okay. So, the reason for this conversation is because I've noticed that a lot of women get too emotionally attached to a man and they forget that relationship ends. Well, almost all relationship ends either in breakup, divorce, or death. Yeah, dying. So all relationship ends. So you have to be mentally and emotionally prepared for a divorce or a breakup. And now we're not going to be talking about dying. It's just not that. Okay. So you have to be mentally and emotionally prepared for that because people have free will. Men have free will. They can decide to walk away and if they no longer want to be in a relationship, or you can decide to walk away. So since relationship ends, um, there are ways to avoid being too attached. And then also, if a man wants to walk away and he suddenly, want to come back, you should not take him back unless he does this. Okay. A man should, if he wants to come back, the only way he should come back is with money in hand. He should put in some effort. He should be serious about coming back. By money in hand, I mean money in a briefcase, a check, only if the check clears, okay? Okay, or wire or Zelle the money or what have you. But he is not coming back empty-handed, okay? He is not coming back with without any effort. No, he has to be serious. And if he's serious, then it will be money in hands. He will bring a briefcase full of money. Okay. So that's how I would do it. That's how I will accept it. A briefcase full of money. Okay. Because you're not a buffet just that a man can just leave and come back to. He's not coming back to you buffet style and then just like, oh, I want to come back now. No, he has to come back with a briefcase full of money. Yes. So now, how do you avoid being emotionally attached to a man? Well, you have to remember that when a man comes with his sad story or a story, his past story, you have to remember that you're not here for his story, his sad story. You're here for the money. I'm not here for your stories. I'm here for the money. Okay. And to avoid also being attached, you're not here to be attached. You're here for that cash. That's how you avoid being attached. Okay. So, yes. So, I also want to add that a lot of women, when there's a breakup or a divorce, they will cry themselves miserably. They will probably be resentful. They will probably eat like buckets of ice cream or what have you. But really, yes, you should take a day, at least a day or two, to feel your feelings. Okay. So that way your feelings won't be feeling you. because your feelings are not feeling you, you are feeling your feelings. So take a day or two to feel your feelings, take some time alone, and then perhaps journal your feelings. If you don't have like a physical journal, then you can do a digital journal, like on your computer, your laptop, tablet, phone, or what have you. But do not go crazy just crying yourself miserably. Don't be miserable, okay? So, and also you have to remember to do the things that bring you back to life, okay? The things that awakens your soul, the things that awakens your spirit, the things also that makes you feel beautiful. Remember your beauty. Remember that you are a beautiful, vibrant, radiant woman still, and just do the things that bring you joy. Okay, like maybe watch a funny movie, like do funny things, watch a funny movie, do like maybe another hairstyle, another hair look, or a makeup look, buy a pretty dress if you're into pretty dresses, or pretty heels or flats, just maybe a little retail therapy, perhaps. Yes, do these things that enlivens you. So that way you're not miserable. Okay. And I said journal. Journaling will really help because that way you are journaling. You have your journal. You're not going to people and spilling your guts all over the place, okay? And revealing things that you should not be revealing. So that's why journaling is important, because your journaling should somewhat be private, okay? And also, they say that the best way to get over a man is to get under a man. No, I do not accept that. See, that never resonated with me. You know why? Maybe because I think too highly of myself to think that, oh, I have to, like, why would you? No, you shouldn't have to get under another man to get over a man. No. So, what I say is that the best way to get over a man is to get into yourself, go into self, go within, you know, by remembering things that you admire about yourself, you enjoy, things that just make you feel alive. Okay. Go into self, remembering like maybe a project that you wanted to do, and doing the things that bring you joy. Yeah. And yeah, and also like with a divorce, at least with a divorce, a woman can probably um she can feel like she's okay, because at least you are married and you're entitled to his money and his assets, and maybe you can get the house in the divorce, you can get maybe alimony if you have children, you can get child support. So at least you have that. Where a woman who was maybe in a boyfriend girlfriend relationship, it's like there's no guarantee that you will get anything. So that's why when you're in a relationship, you have to make sure that a man invested in you, that he paid these bills. Because when you in a boyfriend girlfriend relationship, it's like you're not entitled to his money or his assets. So you have to ensure that he provided throughout the relationship, that he invested in you. So that way, if it ends, if there's a breakup, he invested. Okay. Because girlfriend is a temporary status, it's not a permanent status. So a man can just leave, walk away, you know, whenever he wants, and he's within his rights. And you don't get the same, things as, if you were married. Okay. So I'll just say that without saying too much. It's not a guaranteed status, basically. So yes, because a lot of like people think just because they are in a relationship, boyfriend, girlfriend, they think they're safe. No, you're not safe. So this is why you have to be mentally and emotionally prepared in case there's a breakup. Okay. So, yes, I think I'll end it here. That's all I had to say without saying too much. I hope you've been inspired by this conversation. So be inspired. Bye.